ఆర్టులో ఎన్నో రకాలు ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతి ఆర్టిస్టుది విభిన్నమైన శైలి. ఒక్కొక్కరు ఒక్కో స్టైల్తో ప్రజలను ఆకట్టుకుంటుంటారు. హైదరాబాద్కు చెందిన అతుల్ కబ్రా అనే యువకుడు డూడుల్ ఆర్ట్తో మనసు దోచుకుంటున్నాడు. వీక్షకులను కట్టిపడేస్తున్నాడు.
Formerly known as Doodle Cabra right now. Okay, so I am a storyteller who tells story through doodles. Okay, so I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad, and coming down, like, art has always been part of my childhood from the time, like, as far as I can remember. I've been inspired by my mother and my grandmother, whom I call her Nani. So they have been into very artistic things. I still remember, like, during my childhood days, I have put into different camps, and then, drawing was always part of it. But as and when we were growing up, and I think I've lost in touch with the passion and all. But thanks to the pandemic, like, I was able to get back to the long lost passion for my art and doodling. How it started off, it's quite like, it's a very funny story. So I have received, like, it was my nephew's birthday, and it was during the pandemic, and there was nothing to gift her. And then I was like, let's start doodling something. And from there it started off, and then there was a birth of Doodle Cabra, and here we are today.
మనిషి జీవితంలోని అపురూపమైన ఘట్టాలను, మర్చిపోలేని సంఘటనలను గీతలతో అతుల్ కబ్రా ప్రాణం పోస్తున్నాడు. పెళ్లి, లైఫ్ జర్నీ, బర్త్డే, యానివర్సరీ, ఇలా ఏ వేడుకనైనా ఫ్రేమ్లో దించేస్తున్నాడు.
When somebody talks to me about, which is the best doodle, every doodle has been the best because every doodle has a story to tell. Could be your love story, or could be your retirement story, or anything. The best memory which I can recollect could be right now was when I have received a call from, Allu Arjun personal stylist, depicting their journey, the way they have, broken records to, him being called the style icon in the country. That was one. There was one where I have done a doodle for Raghavendra Singh Chauhan, who was the Chief Justice of Telangana, where I was depicting the 50 years of his entire journey from the time he has taken, from the time he was born, from the places he have served to, currently what he has been doing. So these are the moments which are very proud. And everything, whatever you see in my doodle, it's completely handmade. And yeah, that's about it.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఆర్ట్ అంటే అతుల్కు ఎంతో ఇష్టం. హాబీగా ఆర్ట్ను మొదలుపెట్టాడు. ఇప్పుడు అదే అతనికి కెరీర్ గా మారింది. అల్లు అర్జున్ వంటి సెలబ్రిటీలను సైతం మెప్పించాడు. అమెరికా, ఒమన్ లాంటి దేశాల నుంచి అతుల్కు కస్టమర్లు ఉన్నారు. ఒక్కో ఫ్రేమ్ కి 3 నుంచి 4 రోజుల సమయం తీసుకునే అతుల్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అకౌంట్ వేదికగా బిజినెస్ చేస్తున్నాడు.
Yeah, pandemic for me has been a blessing in disguise. It started off in the pandemic, in the peak pandemic, and then people started understanding emotions much better. I feel they started, bonding with their families in much more better way, I feel. And that has been good. Like, it has been good if you see it on the other aspect also. When everything was going down, there were many I cannot call Doodle Cabra startup yet, but then there were many things which started off, and Doodle Cabra is one of the pandemic products which I can feel, and I'm very proud about it. Like,
So at present,
present Doodle which I have done, which was basically to spread message that, we are all together during the current crisis, and let's join our hands together and be safe, guys. So for an IPS officer, it was depicting his love story. So both of them has met at Bhavans. The lady was from Chennai and the guy was from Hyderabad. They have got engaged on 15th of November 2019. Since being from different cities all together, they have studied together in Bhavans, and later on both of them love, like, long drives. That has been there because both have been their profession required, like, them to be only on long drives. And then recently they have got married in 2020 at the JRC convention. So this is the story about the IPS officer. And
so if you get a chance to do,
what happens is there's nothing like a restrict, because see, art just flows, and for me, like I mentioned, doodling for me is just flow of emotions. That's the reason I get on a call with client to understand the person, and then the outcome comes across the way it comes across. And if I had to do a doodle on Hyderabad, if you tell me to do a doodle on Hyderabad, it would depend, like, what exactly I would want the history to be shown rather than what's happening in the current state. I want that metamorphism to show, like, from where to where they have reached. That would make more sense to me. And if I have to talk about, I'll talk about this, then it makes more sense. Okay. So this doodle was done for Anvesha. So this doodle just depicts the person Anvesha is. Anvesha, the person who's a sleeping potato, she likes watching movies. She's a travel buff. She likes eating pani puri. For the favorite pastime is just Netflix and chill. Snapchat was like the most thing which she loved. Pizza and music were like, this is pizza and music were always like there for her. And then cookies is something which she always admired. And there are some icons like, she likes the show called Office. That's the reason a small duck has been depicted. And yeah, so that, and Central Park, obviously Friends is what she always watches, and Paris is a dream place to visit. So yeah, this is about Anvesha.
మొత్తానికి డూడుల్ ఆర్ట్తో అతుల్ కబ్రా రాణిస్తున్నాడు. సంథింగ్ స్పెషల్గా నిలుస్తున్నాడు.
So there is nothing like a time frame where I, get like an idea. It's when I get on. So the way I work is like anybody who wants to get a doodle done, I get on a call with them and explain them what exactly I want. I do not serve them a questionnaire like, this is what I wanted. Like, these are the memories I want you to give it to me. I just give them a free hand. Once they share the information with me, I get on a call with them again to understand the person. And then they leave it up to me to doodle it. They do not get a draft copy of it. No, they only just get the final output of it. Until date, nobody has been disappointed.